In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Filezilla to Hostinger, a process that should take roughly 5 minutes of your time. This is a fantastic way to manage your website files efficiently and seamlessly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to Hostinger's official website. You'll find a wide range of powerful hosting solutions and a user-friendly interface to bring your ideas to life online. Once you've arrived at Hostinger, the next step is to log in. Just look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Simply click it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Upon logging in, navigate over to the Hostinger panel, often referred to as the hpanel. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll manage all aspects of your hosting from this centralized place. Once you're in the hpanel, you'll find a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is managing your files. So go ahead and click on the Manage button next to your domain or hosting package that you want to connect with Filezilla. Now you're in the management area, look for the files section. It's an essential hub since your objective is to configure and manage FTP accounts. Click on the files option and this will lead you to another list of functionalities. From here, find and click on FTP accounts. This section allows you to view, create and manage the FTP accounts connected to your hosting service. Once you've clicked on FTP accounts, look for the option labeled Filezilla. Clicking on Filezilla will provide you with access or guide you to connect your selected hosting account seamlessly. This software is trusted and widely used for its efficiency and compatibility, making it an excellent choice for managing website files through FTP. And that's it, you've successfully connected Filezilla to your Hostinger account. With this setup, you have greater flexibility in managing your website content directly from your desktop. Using Filezilla, you can upload, download and organize your files just as you would any other files on your computer. Remember, transferring files over FTP is straightforward with Filezilla and Hostinger, but taking care of your login credentials and maintaining a secure connection is essential. Those tasks completed, you're now ready to manage your site effectively. Thank you for watching and happy file transferring.